Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now the reason I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business is because it builds up income. Basically it's recurring commissions, and it's 80% recurring commissions, which is unheard of anywhere else. This is the best business to promote right now, right? And when I say recurring, it means that when you get somebody to buy the product, to keep the product, they have to pay again and again and again, right? So you get money, you make money every month off of that. So you get paid every month. So you could just slowly build up an income by doing that. But you get a certain amount of people in the system, then you're living financially free at that point, right? So that's why I like promoting this product, because it's the best product to promote right now. And right now we're promoting it using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. And the thing is, this one account of My Lead Gen Secrets is a small account, so it should emulate what people would get when they first start, so to speak. So anyway, let's refresh it and see if we got any sale today. Okay, we did not get a sale today, which is absolutely fine. We're on Sunday. Okay, so let's go ahead and promote product. Go in My Lead Gen Secrets here. Let's see, let's pick a different. We're gonna go with I think we're gonna go with this one. Let's see what this email is about. What's the link? Alright, so we're gonna go with this one email here. Pretty solid. It got the right link. Hit like 2. Hit like 300, 320. They we made 3. Yeah. Alright, so we just changed that around a little bit. Let's bold some situations here. Underline. Underline that. I'm gonna bold it. Alright, that's a pretty good email. Looks pretty solid to me. We're just gonna go with it like that, guys. Alright, let's send the email. Make sure to click on Perfect Timing. What Perfect Timing does is send the email around the time people like to check emails. So for example, let's say there's 2 people that I'm sending an email to. One check at 8 a.m., one check at 11 p.m. They'll send the email at 8 a.m. and 11 p.m. for the other guy. Like that. That's how Perfect Timing works. Depending on the person is when they get the email. So it ends up on top of their stack. So there's a much better chance of them checking the email. Alright guys, that's about it, I think. All the links is in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get more of these videos and keep up with what's going on. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.